Versatile design. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Flexible placement. Coordinating finishes makes this perfect for use in the bath and kitchen. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other faucets and accessories in the Brantford Collection. Product description: YB2203CH Finish. Chrome features, double robe hook. Available in brushed nickel, chrome, and oil-rubbed bronze. Construction. Constructed of zinc. Dimensions. Overall dimensions, 2.76 h by 2.44 d. Collection. Brantford Collection. The Brantford Collection features a traditional style, giving your home a beautiful look and timeless appeal. Moen is dedicated to designing and delivering beautiful products that last a lifetime. Moen offers a diverse selection of kitchen faucets, kitchen sinks, bathroom faucets and accessories, and showering products. Moen products combine style and functionality with durability for a lifetime of customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. Nice fixture. We have this series of fixtures in our bathroom, but the robe hook broke, the piece screwed into the wall broke and would no longer hold the hook piece. I wanted to replace it and was very happy that I could still order it through Amazon.